the wheel and tire maintenance chemical kit. So right here on the table we have both variants, the small variant and then the large variant. This could serve as a starter kit, it could serve as a refill kit, but these are the three products you're going to be using on every single wash when it comes to maintaining your wheels and tires. Obviously tire dressing is for keeping your tires looking fresh. Brake buster, that's your wheel cleaner. You're using it on every single wash. If you're using a foam cannon, you're probably going through quite a bit of it. And then Hyde Serum Rustopper is obviously for your brake rotors to stop that Cheeto dust, that surface rust from blowing up and pluming all over your freshly cleaned wheels. If you're looking to use press-all bottles, I would recommend just getting the large package and then you can fill them directly from the gallons. But if you're looking to not use the press-all bottles and just use the bottles that they come in, I would actually recommend picking up both packages. That way you have the bottles, you have the sprayers, and then you can refill them with this as you run through it. These are bread and butter chemicals that you're using on literally every single wash, and you're bound to run through them pretty quickly. So we built this package just so you could quickly, one click, get all three chemicals, refill them, or even use it as a starter kit. But obviously you're gonna run through tire dressing and brake buster a little bit quicker than Hyde's usually, so you can pick these up individually as well.